Before Bonnie's cooking video starts, small update. Episode 7 will not be coming out this weekend or next weekend due to some people's their lives are getting kind of messed up, and there's some mental health issues. Someone's Oculus is completely broken, and that's one of our main actors, and someone broke their foot as well.
For us.
So it's just right now not in the best condition, but I promise weekend or next weekend, but the weekend that is why the episode will not be out this weekend or next weekend, but the weekend after, I promise we'll have episode 7 come out. But Bonnie's cooking, it is somewhat connected to an unhinged story, but season we're gonna make a couple videos like this where it's just kind of like, oh, this could happen, like this is something that has happened. Like it's basically just think of it as like
What's up, bro?
It's canon, but not mainstream. Like that. All right. Anyway, let's get this video started.
Yeah. And
where'd the cheese go? Oh.
And wait, are you still recording?
Yes.
Okay. If you want us to release episode 7, right? Episode 7, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. If you want episode 7, then you better wish us good luck and like the video and subscribe. A lot.
Bark.
100 subscribers, we do
Q&A
Q&A.
at 100 subs.
Dog bark.
Alright, what up guys? Welcome to Bonnie's Cooking. We're gonna cook something perfect for our people out there. Masculous, very good. They're gonna like it very good. We'll see what can we make. We can make a pizza. That sounds delicious. So let's do that. Let's grab our dough. I'm gonna bring it over here. Gonna flatten it out. Now we grab the hot sauce. Can I open the fridge? We grab our tomatoes. Wait, we don't cut the tomatoes. We put them in there with the grass in there. That's how we get the best flavor. Masculous. Wait for that to cook. Now that's done. Now we bring it over here. We dip some of it right there. Now we need to find the cheese. Chop our cheese. We bring it back over here. And we bring one more ingredient. Tomatoes. Not tomatoes. Pepperonis. And after we bring our pepperonis, we plop it on. Oh, that's normal, and I need to open it, slam it in there, close it.
And wait for that to be done. We leave that for another whole minute for it to be done.
We wait for that to be done, and after you hear the last thing is done. So after it's been cooked so perfectly, we bring it over here. We're gonna make a juicy cheeseburger. And we're gonna come over here, grab our ground beef, already been made, some bacon in there, but we don't do that, and we put that right there. We're gonna let that cook. We're gonna grab the buns. And after we wait for that to be cooked for a little bit, we grab our cheese. After with that done, After we grab our cheese, after was that done, we bring our cheese over here and we go chop, 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 and chop, chop, and we bring our cheese to our bun. After we have it on our bun, now we grab our ground beef and we put that right in there. Alright. Buns. We put that right on the pizza. After we're done making our cheeseburger, next we're gonna make tomato soup. Very easy. Grab our tomato, put it in there. We grab our plate. After with that cooking, we're gonna make something else. We're gonna make grilled cheese. We're gonna deep fry our bread. That don't work. We put a our bread right there till after it's done. And now we go in here and grab our bacon. Now, after that's done, we put the bacon in and we grill our bacon. After that, you want to go over here and get your lettuce and cheese. Have a green egg. Chop it up. Chop.
Say, how's that
Behind the trash can. After we grab that, after our food is done, done. We bring it over here. It don't work. We grab our bread, we put that right there, right there. And after that, we go round and around, grab a deep fry our bacon. We come back, and after that, we're gonna make cake next. We grab ourselves a nice juicy bowl. We salt it and we grab ourselves some flour. After that, we're gonna grab ourselves some eggs. After that, we put that right in there. Right in there. And after that, we put our flour, our stuff right in there. And after that, we mix it. Nice. Turn it off. We bring our mix right in here.
Let that cook for 2 minutes. Come on, wow, Freddy. It's gonna be done very soon.
We can try your work now. See if you can prove since the taco incident.
We don't talk about that.
After our cake has been done for 2 minutes, we grab it. Phone attitude. We grab our cake. We make waffles now. We grab our thing. We grab our flour. And right now, after we put our flour in there, we're gonna mix it. Wait, no, we need eggs. Dummy, I got brain damage after my head. After that, I need to mix it.
Going very well. And after the food we have cooked, cake, bacon, bread, a cheeseburger, and pizza. After that,
After that, we're gonna make waffles. We open this. We open that. We put that right there. And after with that being cooked, we're gonna make pancakes next. We're gonna grab some flour, put right there. We're gonna grab some eggs, some leftover eggs from last year. And after that, we mix it. And after we hear our waffle be juicy be done, and after that, we're gonna make onion soups. We're gonna grab that.
Is that toast right there?
No.
I just realized our thing, our
Come on, it's obviously
soup has been done.
You burned toast.
You can just eat it right from there. So we're gonna bring this over here.
I'm scared he's gonna bite my
We're gonna bring it right there. We're gonna come over
Bonnie, no,
here.
you're supposed to put the dishes on the plate.
Okay, from back.
No, it's all.
Don't worry. And our pancake has been done.
That's a
And now we're gonna make French fries.
Place down.
We're gonna find
No, it's a proper food.
potatoes.
Maybe let's just wait for B.
We're gonna go chop, and chop, and some feed sticks. We put that right there for how long we want to. Bound beef and just make some meatballs. We're gonna find our knife. We're gonna bring it over here. Grab our meatballs. We're gonna maybe deep fry it works. Can't deep
Bonnie,
fry.
you don't deep fry though.
And we're gonna wait for this cook, and this is our last food, and my friends are gonna try them out. Wait, what a cook! Oh,
Get it out, Bonnie. No. Bonnie.
I'm the
it's cooked right
chef.
already.
You are not the chef.
No, Bonnie, I'm just trying to help. No.
Bonnie, that looks
no.
so delicious. That looks so
All right.
yummy.
Now, after
That
our
looks so
food
yummy.
is completely cooked. Now my friends are gonna try them.
That looks yummy. I think
plate
my
at least?
pan is good now. Pan is
One,
good now.
What is
Don't touch it
that?
yet. Don't touch it yet. Don't touch it yet.
2, 3,
Oh, is that a?
4,
You burnt a plate?
6,
That looks
You
so
burnt a
yummy.
plate, Bonnie.
That looks
8.
so yummy.
9,
How, Bonnie?
Ten.
It's
Oh
a
my gosh,
plate.
that looks
You
so
don't
yummy.
cook
I can't wait to
it.
munch on
11,
That
12,
looks so yummy.
13,
What is that, crystals?
and 14 food you guys can try out.
That looks so yummy.
Bone out of Diddy.
All right, let's see. What would I want?
That looks so yummy. I'll say
What
you
here
didn't
looks
make my
edible?
taco. I'm not eating anymore. You didn't make my taco.
For some reason
Let's see,
we don't
I'll
have
take some
greens to
onion
make a
rings.
taco.
Okay, let's see.
Onion
How
rings.
do you mess up
This?
the onion rings, Bonnie, and they disintegrated?
I know.
I don't know if this is a pizza. Okay, I'll take a pizza and a steak. Let's see how you mess up a
You
steak.
mean we mean this? Okay. Okay, Chica. Do you want something from here? Freddy, do you want something?
Let's see. Let me grab one more
Everything
thing to
here
go
is
with the steak.
edible. We got bacon, we got cake, we got
Oh,
bread,
no, I don't
we
want
got
toast. I'll take some
pancake,
bacon.
we
Let's see how
got
you mess this
meatballs,
up,
we
Bonnie.
got fries. We person to come here so he can name my restaurant and test out my perfect food. 6 stars from that man. He's gonna
This
like.
pizzeria called Freddy Fazbear. Now let's see.
Welcome to the kitchen. What do you want to pick?
I
We
am
got
a world
so much
famous
stuff
food
you can
critic.
choose.
What do you recommend here, the chef?
I recommend the cake, the bacon and the steak, and the bread. Recommend.
All right, let's see.
We'll
Let's
take
get
the cake.
what I assume is a plate, a cake, the
I'll take this.
bacon. Give me
You
my
dropped your
steak.
cake.
I'm dropping my food. Ah, leave it. It's fine. Okay,
Okay.
well, not screw it. I'm just taking, I guess, a hamburger. All right.
Yeah, that
If I enjoy this, I'll make sure you get more employees.
Come on.
Hmm?
What do you think about it?
Bathroom.
Alright, we're gonna see what happened when we put a pole tank in an oven. Let's
Gonna make
find
it
out. And it's my best recipe in the entire world.